look at food in a different lens. I think we have such a narrow perspective on what we should be eating. And thank you for watching this video. I really hope this inspires people to eat more of the rainbow, because it inspired me to eat more of the rainbow. In this video, I'm gonna be sharing the budget. So I kept my receipts for this because I wanted, and I knew that somebody would ask me how much it costs to eat all this food. Now, mind you, if you're not familiar with my channel, welcome. I am Nicole Boyd. I am the founder and creator of Studio Vegan. On my channel, I usually share lifestyle stuff. I share traveling. I share challenges. And in the past week, I did an Eat the Rainbow challenge for 7 days, and I was challenged to eat 50 plus fruits and vegetables, and I did it. And here's a little preview of what I ate. Roll a clip. So this is what the steam basket looks like. I'm gonna steam. Ooh, I gotta eat these apples. Let me put some lime juice on them actually. Just so we have a nice diverse amount of fruits. It's so pretty. It's locally popped. Yeah, we get. So this is all done. We have all the veggies in here. We have Brussels. My snack is ready. She's snackable. This is my fruit snack. My mono-ish fruit. We're gonna call it a fruit snack because this is fruit. It's giving fruit snack. So it makes me want to make a textile palette out of it. I might take a picture really close so I can get a nice. Here is my first box paired with some. I bought from the co-op because I don't really shop at supermarkets anymore because I work at a co-op. I'm there every week. Perfect, you know, boom, boom, boom. And I know what they have. I know the prices are pretty reasonable and everything's organic. So there's that. So I bought, that day I bought some Granny Smith apples. I bought a green pear, grapefruit, broccoli, oyster mushrooms, blueberries, cucumber, celery, Meyer lemons, kiwi, turmeric. And then the other stuff is just stuff. But in regards to like actual eating groceries, that's what I bought. And I'll put the total of that right here. All right, so we're gonna move on to the second receipt. I think this was the same day. I didn't buy too much of anything. This was the blood orange and Roma tomatoes, and I bought some olive oil. This was just extra while I was waiting in line. So that's the price of that. But while I was waiting in line or waiting for my friend to leave the co-op, I probably was like, ooh, I've never had blood orange, and I hadn't. And I needed Roma tomatoes to make a salad because I wanted to make a salad that week. So that's where that comes from. So that'll be on the screen with the total amount. So this is actually how much I spent during the week. Yeah, outside of that, if I didn't have it in the house, I didn't really buy too much. And I'll insert the food haul so you guys can have an idea. Like, I really bought all this food, but I was strategic. So when I was buying my food, I also was making meal plans in my you know, up here. So I have this little notebook. Let me show you. I keep this on me. In here, there's the Eat the Rainbow challenge. There is like literally the Eat the Rainbow challenge is in here. You see it? This is like a list of all the foods I had: red, green, orange, yellow, blue, purple, white. This was the first time I tried to do it before I started filming the content. It didn't work that well. I think that doing it the way I did it for the 7 days was more effective personally. And then I was also tracking, and it became stressful because that was a stressful day, stressful month actually. When was that? Because I wrote the date too. That was, what date was that? I don't know. I didn't write the date. But yeah, this is like, I keep this on hand. And then if not, I put it inside of my cell phone notes. So if you go inside of your notes, if you have a iPhone, cell phone, whatever phone you got, and you have a notepad or docs, like Google Docs, I prefer to use my notes. So I go to notes and I type in, like, I do what I have to eat. Because, I mean, that's kind of straightforward, what I have to eat. So this is what I currently have to eat. So you can see that. I have purple cabbage, carrots, zucchini, pomegranate, beets, apples, kiwi, super firm tofu, green burdock root, chestnut, cranberries. But it gets longer because I definitely have way more than this. So this is what I have to eat from what I bought that day. And I'll put aside so you guys can see what that looks like. This was the Granny Smith apple, grapefruit, broccoli, mushrooms, blah, 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 blah. This is all stuff I purchased. Turmeric. The golden milk tea doesn't really count because it's not like, it's tea. You know what I mean? So it doesn't count. The lettuce, there's avocado. Yeah. Let me add up how much, like, New York, like, why? They just be disrespecting me. No respect. None. Like, this was good. They always want to, they act like that. This New York be giving off energy. They always want to fight you. Like, why can't we have peace? New York wasn't not being on peace, because if it was, it wouldn't be no good. Anyways, let me add this up and I'll be right back to share the amount. Drum roll. Oh, and the grand total for a week's worth of groceries was $47.59. That is what the total is. About $62 to $70 a week on food if it's fresh produce. Between the farmer's market, my protein, and the co-op. Anything in regards to spices or teas or drinks don't count because that is not, to me, a part of that category personally. But yeah, so if you can't afford $47.57, understandable. You can definitely do this challenge on a budget. If you have a set budget or you have a number you'd like to do, definitely leave a comment down below. I am all with working within people's budget when it comes to eating healthy, because everybody deserves to eat healthy. Not only that, but I want you to eat food. Like, I love food. Y'all saw I ate Chinese food, right? So I love food. I love eating desserts. I had my cookies. I went out to eat. So I still was enjoying food without limiting myself. I was enjoying, when I tell y'all I enjoyed this whole challenge, I came out a new person. I came out happier. I was just filled with love and happiness, but I still was like, okay, like, I could go get some more food. Like, and I had to retrain my brain to get back into eating my little cheat day, because that gave me extra protein and carbs. But all in all, it was literally, it was a week, y'all. It was a moment. It made me, I slept better. I mean, I was less stressed out. My brain felt more awake. I felt more energized. I was just loving it. One thing I will say, if you're gonna do this, prep is important. Have an idea of what you're gonna eat, and if you need any help, I do offer services where I can do a one-on-one with you. It's not uber expensive. It's so that you are not going into this blindly and you can actually eat the rainbow. Shit, I choked on my spit. Oh, it is, yeah. But yeah, so I'm excited. I'm so excited. If you're looking to join me on the Eat the Rainbow Challenge again, because I will be doing it again, I am looking to work with 5 people to eat the rainbow with. We'll be having meetings every other day for about 30 minutes, just to, brainstorm, so you guys can stay consistent and in the moment. Maybe we'll do 2 to 3 meetings in a week. It'll be a weekly challenge, so you're not doing a monthly challenge. But if you're interested in doing Eat the Rainbow for a month, I'm here for it. Like, that's what I'm about to do. So Thank you for watching this video. I really hope this inspires people to eat more of the rainbow, because it inspired me to eat more of the rainbow and to look at food in a different lens. I think we have such a narrow perspective on what we should be eating and consuming when there's so much food out there. So yeah, I think this is just gonna be switched to what I eat in the day videos. So yeah, make sure to check out my playlist. We just got a letter. We just got a letter. We just got a letter. I wonder who it's from. I love that cartoon.